Welcome back, everybody, to Orange Track Outlaws. We got another race night on our hands here. I want to thank you guys for tuning back in and sticking with me on my mission to find the fastest Hot Wheels. You can see we've gotten pretty low on our bin of cars here, but we're going to pick another 36 here and we're going to get moving. So let's get started. Let's start right here with this red Chevy. About this car, it's a goofy looking car with the big nose on it. Cadillac 16. Alright. Let's go with the Mustang. Here, another Mustang. About this guy. This is pretty fast. Alright, here we go with the BMW. That's 6. Go with the Cougar. Got the Saline. Oh, that's a Jaguar, isn't it? Another J220. What we got here? Sweet. Alright. What we got here? Keep going. Keep going. Oh, got the MG. About this guy right here in the corner. Okay, got 12. Keep it on here. Let's try to get through this. Won't bore you too much. Camaro convertible. Oh, good. Look at this. Sweet looking car. Mustang, big back tire. That's a sweet looking car. Alright. What's next? How about this guy? Looks like a concept, I think. What's down here? Oh, here we go. We got another white F40. Uh-oh, F40. Look out. Got GTO. FTEs. Nice. Okay, halfway there. Right on top. Camaro. What's underneath here? Corvette Sport. Oh, we got the Viper. The Hulkster colors. Sweet. This guy right here. Alright. How about this one here? Look at this. Crazy tuned Camaro. If that's fast, we're gonna find out. About this car, that's a little Hot Wheels original. Okay, and 12 more. Go in here. What's this one? Hot Wheels original there. What we got here? Corvette. We got it hiding under here. Alright. Keep on going. Oh, we got a twin mill. Redline. Nice car. Keep digging here. Keep digging here. We got something hiding under here. There we go. Subaru. Alright, I think we need 6 more. This little guy. There's 1. Oh, how about this guy? Nice. 2. There we go. Classic Camaro. About this little guy here. Alright, 2 more. What's it gonna be? What's it gonna be? Oh, how about this guy? This looks pretty cool. And last but not least, get him out of the bottom here. Oh, what's this? We got the medic truck. Alright, here we go. Oh. Got our cars here. And we are ready to line them up and send them down. See you in a minute. Okay, race 1 is up and ready. In lane 1, the Hot Wheels RD03. In lane 2, the 69 Chevy. In lane 3, the 73 BMW. In lane 4, the 85 Camaro. Lane 5, the Corvette Grand Sport. And lane 6, we got R2-D2. Who you liking? I think I'm going to go with that red 69 Chevy truck. All right, let's race. Okay, race 1, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Oh, it's the BMW.
Winner, lane 3.
Oh, it's the BMW.
Winner, lane 3.
Okay, race 2's up and ready. Lane 1, we got the medic truck. In lane 2, we got the mid-drift. In lane 3, we got the Corvette. In lane 4, the Jaguar J220. Lane 5, the 69 Mustang. In lane 6, the Pikes Peak Celica. Who you got? I think I'm going to go with the Jaguar on this one. Let's race. Okay, race 2. 3, 2, 1. Jaguar's out. Oh, the medic truck, come back. Wow. Jaguar's out. Oh, the medic truck, come back. Wow. Okay, race 3 is up and ready. Lane 1. Got the 67 GTO with the FTE wheels. Lane 2, we got the Subaru Impreza. Lane 3, the 70 Camaro. Lane 4, the Aston Martin. In lane 5, the 68 Cougar. And in lane 6, we got the 70 Barracuda. What do you like here? I think I'm going to go with that GTO with the FTE wheels. Let's find out. Okay, race 3. 3, 2, 1. Wow! Barracuda won. Wow! Barracuda won. Okay, race 4. In lane 1, got the Dodge Viper. Lane 2, we got the Soul Air Racer. In lane 3, got the Custom Vega. In lane 4, Audacious. In lane 5, Pony Up. And lane 6, we got Rapid Transit. Who are we going for here? I'm going to go with that Dodge Viper, lane 1. Let's race. Race 4, 3, 2, 1. Soul Air's out. Oh yeah, Soul Air got it.
Winner, lane 2.
Soul Air's out. Oh yeah, Soul Air got it.
Winner, lane 2.
Okay, race 5's ready to go. Lane 1, we got the Lakester. Lane 2, the 65 Mustang. In lane 3, the Gazella GT. In lane 4, the Twin Mill. In lane 5, Mercedes AMG. And lane 6, we got the 69 Camaro. This should be a good race here. Lanes 1, 2, and 3 are all fast. I gotta go with the Mustang. Let's race. Race 5's ready. 3, 2, 1. Gazelle GT's got it.
Winner, lane 3.
Gazelle GT's got it.
Winner, lane
3. Okay, race 6 up and ready. Lane 1, the Cadillac V16 with the funky front end. Lane 2, the Firebird. Lane 3, the white Ferrari F40. Lane 4, Mustang Mach 1. Lane 5, we got the MST Suzuka. In lane 6, we got the custom Cougar. Alright guys, who you liking? I think I gotta go with the F40, but I think lane 1 might be a sleeper. Let's find out. Here we go. Okay, race 6. 3, 2, 1. F40. Yep, there it is.
Winner, lane 3.
F40. Yep, there it is.
Winner, lane 3.
Okay, we are ready for our finals race. Got a couple sleepers here that I didn't expect. Lane 1, we got the Soul Air Racer. Lane 2, the Barracuda. Lane 3, BMW. Lane 4, the Gazella GT. Lane 5, the F40. In lane 6, the white medic truck. What do you like here? This should be a good one. The Barracuda's crazy sleeper. Gazelle GT's fast. The F40's fast. Soul Air's fast. I don't know who to take. I'm gonna go with that orange Barracuda. Why not? Let's find out. Here we go. Okay, finals race. 3, 2, 1. Oh, Gazelle GT got it.
Winner, lane 4.
Gazelle GT got it.
Winner, lane 4.
Okay, here's our winner Gazelle GT's shot at the best of the best. We got lane 1, our winner, Gazella GT. In lane 2, we got our Firebird Funny Car. Lane 5, we have our current champ, the orange Lamborghini Stoke. And in lane 6, we got our number 2, currently the black F40. Who's it going to be? Let's see if we're going to have a change into the guard. See if the black F40 comes out on top. Maybe that Gazelle GT is going to surprise us. Let's find out. Here we go. Okay, Gazella GT versus the best. 3, 2, 1. Oh, it's the black F40. Takes it.
Lane 6.
Oh, the black F40 takes
Winner,
it.
lane 6.
Okay, guys, here's our new champion, the black Ferrari F40, back on top again. Narrow race with the orange Lambo, but I guess it just had too much for it tonight. The Gazella GT, strong, fast car, but couldn't beat the F40. Anyway, I want to thank you guys for watching another one of my races. I've got more to come. Our bin's getting pretty low, but we're going to press on here with our mission to find the fastest Hot Wheels. Please take a look at my customs and restorations also. I got some real cool ones coming up. Got a couple challenges coming up. And if you like what you see, please hit that subscribe button. And thanks again. We'll see you next time. See ya.